Alright, so I saw a lot of questions out there about how to drain an air compressor, or specifically a Kobalt air compressor, and I happen to have a Kobalt air compressor. So first thing you're going to do before you drain it is turn the power off, else it's probably going to kick on. Alright, now there's a little knob right here, kind of hard to see. Just turn that just a little bit and let that water come out. If there's water buildup or condensation buildup, it's going to come right out through there. Whenever the water stops flowing, just turn her back off. We got a little bit of condensation there, so we had a little bit of water in our tank. Probably a little bit more. You don't have to open it the whole way up, just enough to let the water come out. Now if you open up the whole way, it's going to be loud. Especially when it's right beside the camera. So we're not going to open up the whole way. But that's how you drain the Kobalt air compressor. Now why would you want to drain that? Well, you don't want water or condensation to build up inside the tank, do you? It's going to rust the tank. And then, well, there's going to be condensation and water getting into your hose, which will get into your tool. And, well, none of that's any good, right? Not any good. So just open it up just a little bit to get some fluid out. If nothing comes out, fine. If nothing comes out, you're fine. It's just a little bit. Usually you'll hear a crackling sound if there's some water in there. But that's all there is to it, guys. Pretty simple, pretty easy.